What? What's going on? The power goes out. Every time the power goes out, the Wi-Fi stops immediately. That's really annoying. I have an idea. Let's try it. I got this Wi-Fi. So I need to do something simple to power this Wi-Fi when power out. Look at that. Travels. Okay. Do something. I have 3 cells. 1A650. Let's build a battery pack to power this Wi-Fi. Okay, here we go. Besides that, we need a BMS to protect the cells. It's really important when you want to build a battery pack. So let's weld and stick the cells together. Here we go. So it takes 5 or 10 minutes. Okay, the battery pack is almost ready. Here we go. Oh, after that, you need to stick the BMS to the battery pack in order to protect the whole. So you have to connect the right terminal to each cell in order to activate the BMS. Okay, I'm finished. So we need to connect the power cable to the battery pack right here, positive and negative, red and white. Obviously it's so easy to see. So I'm going to try to connect the battery pack to the Wi-Fi router in order to confirm it works properly. Here we go. Look at that light. Yes, I'm done. So if you like the video, click subscribe and have a nice day. Bye bye, see you.